Here's a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. Take on more with this SUV that's every bit as ambitious to get you to the summit as it is to cut down on consumption. Its aerodynamic exterior and advanced Xtronic continuously variable transmission are a credit to that. The all-mode four-wheel drive takes you over tough terrain, but also knows how to cut back consumption when you're on civilized roads. The Easy Flex seating system featuring latch and glide, tri-zone climate control, and advanced drive assist display make any ambition possible.
Select the perfect temperature with the climate control. The CD changer lets you change things up for the perfect soundtrack. It's too hot, it's too cold. Not anymore with the dual zone air conditioning.
Get going. This Pathfinder is ready for a test drive.
Welcome to Pohanka Nissan in Fredericksburg. Something great is always happening at Pohanka.
Located on Route 1 in Fredericksburg, Virginia.